A breathtaking spectacle unfolded over the city of St. Petersburg on Saturday night as thousands gathered to witness the magic of the annual Scarlet Sails festival, a dazzling tradition dedicated to high school graduates across Russia. The night sky erupted in a symphony of color and sound, with fireworks bursting high above the Neva River, lighting up the historic skyline in hues of red, gold, and violet. At the heart of the celebration was the majestic appearance of the Russia brig, a classic two-masted sailing ship, gracefully gliding through the river with its iconic scarlet sails unfurled. The moment the sails caught the spotlight, the crowd erupted in applause, a symbol of hope, dreams, and new beginnings. Thousands of students, fresh out of school, gathered at Palace Square, their faces filled with joy, pride, and a sense of achievement. This night marks more than just the end of classes. It's the beginning of a new chapter in their lives. The Scarlet Sails tradition began in 1968, inspired by Alexander Grin's beloved 1922 tale, Scarlet Sails, a story about believing in dreams and waiting for your moment to set sail. After a 25-year pause, the celebration returned in 2005 and has since grown into one of Russia's most iconic cultural events. With world-class performances, synchronized lights, and the unforgettable silhouette of red sails on the water, Scarlet Sails 2025 was nothing short of magical. A powerful reminder that every ending is the start of a new journey. And for these graduates, the horizon is wide open.